Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta. And let's try to understand the different ways of sorting the data in Tableau. So for this, we will go in the environment of Tableau. We'll pick up the region from here and drop it into the columns. Then we'll pick up the category from here, drop it into the rows. The next thing which we'll do is we'll pick up the sales from here and drop it into the text. Now we want to do the sorting of this. Let's first of all press this plus sign also. We want to do the sorting of this. What are the different ways in which I can do the sorting? First, click here, activate sorting from here, activate the field from here. Do you want the ascending or descending? On that basis, it will do the sorting. Let's see the result. Ascending. If I keep this thing as ascending, then see this results. And if I keep it descending, you can see the changes which are happening. Descending, you will have to see only in furniture, office supplies, and technology. I again press ascending. See, central furniture, all ascending. Central office supply, all ascending. This is according to the category. Now, let us do according to the region. I'll activate sorting from here. Same question it will ask. Activate the field from here. And now you can see the sorting is done ascending or descending according to the region, right? According to the region now. Fasteners, labels. So this is according to the region. Now, if you don't want to go in this menu, you can do it from here also. See, there is a small icon which is appearing. One, two. You can press this and you can activate the according to the field you want, according to the alphabetical order. You can also have it according to the alphabetical order. See, it's according to the alphabetical order. You want it according to the sum, so it will work according to the sum. Similarly, here also you will have the same icon. Activate this. On each column you will have this. So individual columns can also be sorted. See this. So this is a way you can do the sorting of the data in Tableau. For more videos on Tableau, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Please refer my playlist in which I already uploaded many videos on Tableau. Don't forget to press the like button.